Hello children, hope you all can hear me well. Okay, a very good and a warm welcome to all of you. A great good morning. As I mentioned earlier in the mail, please make sure to have the audio turned on. There will be a speaker like icon which is there. So if it is in green color, it means the audio is turned on. If it is in green, the audio is off. So please make sure to have the audio turned down so that you can hear me throughout the session. I'll be giving a set of instructions continuously, so that please ensure to have the audio turned on. We'll just start in a couple of minutes and wait for other children to join as well. Okay, so once again, a warm welcome to the session. Hope you all can hear me. Now we'll just get started with the session. So before that, I'd like to give you a set of instructions, which is we have three segments today. So we have come down to the quizzing segment. So segment one is quiz. So we have mentioned you to go through a Learn AI in 89 minutes free course. So we'll be having few quiz questions from the course. So you'll have some multiple choices given, and you'll be having some picture and video. You have to observe and listen from the video or picture, and you'll have to answer the question. So this is how the session works. The first segment is purely the quizzing segment, and for segment two, you have social wall. So you can have screenshots taken throughout this particular session, or you can in that social segment, basically what it happens is you can share your thoughts. So you can share any of the pictures, or you can share any messages. So maybe you can put a screenshot of the session, or you can share anything which you know about artificial intelligence, or you would have gone through a course. Maybe you can share the certificate or the projects you have done so far. So that is more like a social networking and interactive session. So that is segment two for you all. And segment three, we have a poll. So there will be few set of questions asked about this session, and you can give the final feedback in the poll. So these are the three segments, which is quiz, social wall, and poll. We have it for today. Now we'll get started with the round one, which is quiz. So I'm starting the timer. The quiz will start in 5 seconds shortly. Okay, so hope you all can see the screen with the questions. So as I mentioned, this is how the quiz question is going to look like. So the first one is the question says, what is artificial intelligence? So the question has 30 seconds. So each question has 30 seconds to answer, and you'll be having 3 to 4 options. So in this question, you have 3 options, and you have 100 points to score for each question. So once I start the timer, you can start choosing the right answer, and those who answer fast will score more points. So that's how this quiz segment is going to look like. And as I mentioned, there is a tip picture here which is relevant to the question. You can observe from the picture and you can start answering. So are you all ready to do that? I'll start the question now and you can start answering. As I mentioned, the timer has started and you can start choosing one right answer. Okay, there are equally questions coming down. Okay, the timer is up. Many of you have given the right answer. That's good. Now it's time to see what the right answer is. Yes, option C, intelligence displayed by machine, is the right answer. So that's the definition for artificial intelligence. Now we'll move on to the next question, which is AI is called as the dash industrial revolution. So as mentioned, you have four options, and this question is also purely from the course. So if at all you have gone through the course, which is Learn AI in 18 minutes, you can answer this question. So I'll start the question, and you can choose the right answer. You can start answering now. The time is running. There are a variety of answers I'm getting. First, second, third, fourth. You can choose one answer quickly. The timer is gonna run up. Okay, the timer is up, and it's time to see the right answer. Yes. So AI is called as the fourth industrial revolution. So option D, fourth, is the right answer for you all. It's there in the course. So D is the right answer. We'll move on to the next question in the series, which is Andrew in called AI as dash. So there are four options for you, which is steam power, fossil fuel, new electricity, and power grids. So now I'll start the question and you can start answering that. Okay, one of you have answered right. That's good. You can think through for a second and quickly choose the right one. Okay, the timer is up and we'll see what the right answer is. Yes. Option C, new electricity, is the right answer. So Andrew Im called artificial intelligence as a new electricity. Yes. Now we'll go on to the next question in the series. Uh, Before that, a quick tip: make sure to have the audio turned on so that you can hear me well, because I'll be giving instructions. So AI, which is available in today's world, is you have four options: AGI, ANI, AVI, and ASI. So I'll turn on the question and you can start answering. The timer is up. We'll see what the right answer is. Okay. Option B, ANI, is the right answer. For those of you wondering what these options are, AGI is artificial general intelligence, ANI is artificial narrow intelligence, and AVI is one file format, and option D, ASI, is too confusing. So option B, artificial narrow intelligence, is available in today's world. So that is the right answer for you. Now we move on to the next question, which is communication between a human and AI is called as You can see a GIF which is talking. So we all know this is robot Sophia. So there are four options: machine learning, computer vision, robotics, and conversational AI. I'll start the timer and you can choose the right answer. Okay, one of you answered right. The timer is running up and it's over. So we'll see what the right answer is. Yes, option D, conversational AI is the right answer. So a communication between a human and AI is called as conversational AI for ego. We move on to the next question in the series. Yes. So conversational AI chatbots comes within it. So the question is, chatbot can be used as A, 24/7 salesperson, B, to identify objects, C, as a chatting friend, D, B and C, and E, A and C. Now you can choose the right answer. The timer is up and we'll see the right answer. Yes, option E, A and C is the right answer. So chatbot can be used as 24/7 salesperson and a chatting friend. So E is the right answer for you. Now we'll move on to the next question in the series. Before that, there is a video which is going to come up. So you'll have to, make sure to keep the audio turned on for that video. You'll have to listen to the video and few questions from the video will be asked. So moving on to the next question.
Tasks through experience is part of being human. When we're born, we know almost nothing and can do almost nothing for ourselves. But soon, we're learning and becoming more capable every day. But did you know that computers can do the same? Machine learning brings together statistics and computer science to enable computers to learn how to do a given task without being programmed to do so. Just as your brain uses experience to improve at a task, so can computers. Say you need a computer that can tell the difference between a picture of a dog and a picture of a cat. You could begin by feeding it images and telling it, this one's a dog, that one's a cat. A computer programmed to learn will seek statistical patterns within the data that will enable it to recognise a cat or a dog in the future. It might figure out on its own that cats have shorter noses and that dogs come in a larger variety of sizes, and then represent that information numerically, organising it in space. But, crucially, it's the computer, not the programmer, that identifies those patterns and establishes the algorithm by which future data will be sorted. One example of a simple yet highly effective algorithm is to find the optimal line separating cats from dogs. When the computer sees a new picture, it checks which side of the line it falls on and then says either cat or dog. But of course, there can be mistakes. The more data the computer receives, the more finely tuned its algorithm becomes, and the more accurate it can be in its predictions. Machine learning is already widely applied. It's the technology behind facial recognition, text and speech recognition, spam filters on your inbox, online shopping or viewing recommendations, credit card fraud detection, and so much more. At the University of Oxford, machine learning researchers are combining statistics and computer science to build algorithms that can solve more complex problems more efficiently, using less computing power. From medical diagnoses to social media, the potential of machine learning to transform our world is truly mind-blowing.
Okay, so hope you all listened to the video. Now the question is, what is machine learning? So this question is purely from the video which you listened to. So now I'll start the question and you can choose one right answer. Okay, we'll see what the right answer is. Yes, all the above is the right answer because it learns from experience and it's the science of getting computers to act without explicitly being programmed, and it is also the process of finding solutions from example. So these, since these three are the definitions of machine learning, all the above is the right answer. We move on to the next question. Which AI application is used to identify between cat and dog? So this question is also from the video, and now you can choose the right answer. The time is up, and now we'll see what the right answer is. So as discussed in the previous video, machine learning is an AI application which is used to identify between cat and dog. So option B is the right answer for you all. Again, there is one more question which is also from the video. The question is, the more dash the computer receives, the more accurate the machine learning algorithm will be in its predictions. So there are three options for you: applications, feeds, and data. So I'll start the question and you can choose the right answer. Okay, some of you are answering right. Now we see what the right answer is. Yes. So as discussed in the video, the more data the computer receives, the more accurate the machine learning algorithm will be in its predictions. So option C is the right answer for you all. We'll move on to the next question.
The stylist is free. But what does that mean? That the haircut doesn't cost anything? That the stylist has been released from prison? Of course not. It means the stylist is ready for your haircut. You know that because you have context. Computers are programmed to identify written and spoken words, but to really communicate with people, they need to understand context. That's where natural language processing, or NLP, comes in. Computers use NLP to look beyond individual words or phrases and understand the context they're being delivered in, often enough to communicate with virtually anyone in real time. Natural language processing lets virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa understand that when you ask them to play some rock, you're not asking Siri to pick up a guitar or start banging stones together, but to play some tunes. We hope this video on natural language processing makes sense.
Okay, so hope you all listen to the video. So this question is from the video, which is A, that focuses on getting computers to understand and create human languages. So there are 4 options. You can think and choose one right answer. The timer is running. Okay, it's up. Now we'll see what the right answer is. Okay, yes, as discussed in the video, option C, natural language processing, is the right answer because it understands, and focuses on, human languages. So option C is the right answer for you. Now, since we have crossed few set of questions, it's time to see the leaderboard. Are you all excited to see that? I'll just, even I'm excited to do. So we'll see who comes first. Okay. So congratulations, Krish. So you have come first, and second, Rauna Cha. Congratulations, and Deepa comes third. Congrats, guys. So you're doing good so far. Still, you have few more questions left. You can try answering the questions correctly. Okay, we'll move to the next question. Yes, this is also from NLP. The question is, which of the following is an example of NLP? So we have 4 options here. A, drone, B, Google Translate, C, YouTube, and D, cooking robot. So there is only one right answer here. Now I'll start the timer. You can go for the right one. The timer is up. Now we'll see what the right answer is. Yes. Option B, Google Translate, is the right answer because this is one of the major examples of natural language processing. So B is the right answer for those of you wondering what the right answer is. Now we'll move to the next question in the series. The ability of a system to understand digital images and video is. Again, the question has 4 options: general intelligence, computer vision, robotics, and NLP. You can think through. This was discussed in the course as well. So you can think through and choose one right answer. The timer is running. Choose one right answer quickly. Okay, some of you have answered right. Yes, the timer is up and now we'll see what the right answer is. Yes, option B, computer vision is the right answer. And it has the ability to understand digital images and videos. So B is the right answer for you. Okay, so next one is a video question. So make sure to have the audio turned on for it.
Looking at robot having a human form and having a body for doing computation, sensing, actuation, communication, and all of this controlled by a brain, which in, of course, robot's parlance is essentially a set of algorithms or a set of software.
Okay, so I hope you all listen to the video and it's on Robotics. So now the question is also from the video, which is robots take inputs through. So you have four options, which is data, sensors, actuators, and moderators. So you have four options. I'll start the timer now and you can choose the right answer. There is only one right answer to it. So recollect what you saw in the video and choose one right answer. Okay, one of you have chosen right. Others, you can quickly choose the right answer. The timer is going to be up soon. And yeah, it's over. So we see the right answer now. Yes. So robots take inputs through option B, sensors. So sensors is the right answer for you all. B. So next is one more question, which is gonna come up from robotics. So this is like, what is a robot? So you have to select one apt answer for this. A, system. B, programmable mechanical device. C, control device, and D, software application. So this was also discussed in the video. Now you can choose the right answer. The timer has run halfway. Okay, one right answer. That's good. Okay, the timer is up and we see the right answer. Yes. Option B, programmable mechanical device is the right answer for you, and that is what a robot is called as. So yes, so all of you are doing so good so far. There is only one question left. So we are going to come to the last question in the quiz and we'll see what the last question is. Okay. So what are robot hands called? So there are four options: mediator, receiver, actuator, and computation. So this is the last question for you all. So think through and choose the right answer. You can think for a second before answering because there is only one right answer. Others can answer right. The timer is going to end soon. Okay, so the timer is up and this is our last question and we'll see what the right answer is now. Yes, actuator is the right answer. So robotic hands and arms are called as actuator. So option C is the right answer for you all. So since we have come to the last question, we'll see the leaderboard now. Okay, still Krish comes first. So congratulations, Krish. So you have done a good job so far. Very congratulations. So you have got answers right. Congrats. And second comes again. The positions haven't changed at all. So the 1, 2, 3 places are equally the same. So yes, second comes Ramnan and third is Deepak. So congratulations to all the children. So you have done so good so far. The points and the marks, this leaderboard is purely for excitement and fun. So the sole purpose for you all is to learn. So you don't have to worry if you're unable to come for second and third. So it's okay. Yes, last question, and we have completed our quiz successfully. So the quiz segment is over, and next, as I mentioned, we have another segment which is called as social wall. So we'll move to that one quickly. In the social wall, you can share any pictures of your learning. Maybe you can share the screenshot of this segment, or you can share the screenshot of what you know about artificial intelligence, or you can type something and share as well. So we'll move on to the next segment. I hope you all can see it clearly. Yes. So yes, I'll now start the social wall, and in quite few seconds you can start posting anything. Yes. Now you can type something and share your thoughts, or share any of the pictures which you have known or learned relevant to AI. Children, please feel free to post. Krish and others, you can share how the experience was. So if you're interested to learn a lot more, and if you are interested to attend any training, we conduct a few. So I'll share the link to the event now here. You can click on the event and you can register for it. So that is like a 3-day artificial intelligence workshop for you. So that 3 days is going to be completely hands-on. So yeah, you would be creating something on your own. So there are 3 days. In day 1, you will be completely learning in and out about artificial intelligence and the foundational concepts with some hands-on activities. So in the meantime, I'm just putting the link here so that you can see that here. Yes, I've shared the link. So www.eventbrite.com/e/153429061. So that's the link. So you can click on the link and you can check out about the event. In the meantime, Precious said something. It is the best experience for me, and I also enjoyed the quiz. So thank you so much, Krish. Thanks a lot, and it's good that you have enjoyed. Yes, if you'd like to attend more such sessions, I've shared the link in the talk. So you can click on the link, and that is the 3 days artificial intelligence workshop for students. So this is for 3 days, and on all 3 days you will be learning AI and its concepts with hands-on activities. So day 1, you will learn the concepts with real-time hands-on activities. You will learn about machine learning, you will learn about computer vision, robotics and everything. So you will completely learn it in day 1 with all hands-on activities, and in day 2 you will be creating your own machine learning project. You will train a system using Python. So you will be introduced to Python basics, and at the end of day 2 we'll teach you to create a machine learning project using Python. So image classification type of a project using Python will be taught, and you will be creating it. And in day 3, for your excitement, we have a Alexa quiz coming. So you all know Alexa, right? So will teach you how to create Alexa skills, and you can create your own Alexa skill and you can test it as well. So, and as I mentioned, these 3 days is going to be purely fun and exciting, because it will not be like, be teaching some concept. It is purely hands-on, and I hope you would enjoy. So you can click on the link and register for it. In the meantime, Raunak says artificial intelligence is very nice quiz. Thank you, Raunak. Thank you so much. Okay, so, and for any details, you can always contact hello@wiselywise.com. So if you have any doubts, or if you want to enroll into any course or the workshop, you can write a mail to contact hello@wiselywise.com. Now it's time to move on to the next segment. As I mentioned before, we'll move on to the third segment, which is poll. So thank you all the children who have shared your thoughts. Thank you. We all can see this. And now I've started the poll for you all. Okay, so did you like using GameCentral, the quiz tool? So you can choose one option. So this is purely to understand how you enjoy this. Okay, so I see many likes coming. Thank you so much, children. It's good that you all enjoyed this as well. That's nice. And now we'll move on to the next one. Would you like to attend more such sessions in the coming days? Okay, I can see, yes, that's quickly coming and it's very fast. That's nice. Okay, the next one. Did you go through the Learn AI in Enablement course before the event? Oh, yes, that's very nice. So you children are we're so good in going through the course and coming to the event as mentioned before. So that's very good for those of you who went through the course. Good work from your side. That's nice. And the next question: would you like to learn more AI courses from us? Oh, that's a very quick yes. Okay, so as I mentioned, if you would like to learn the course or attend other workshops, yes, I'll just share the link right away here. Okay, so as I mentioned, if you're interested to learn more from us, you can click on this link and you can register for this workshop. As I said, it is going to be very fun and exciting 3-day workshop for artificial intelligence, and it is completely hands-on. You will create many interesting and cool projects on your own. So we'll teach you how to do that, and you would enjoy the experience throughout. And if you want to learn and get enrolled to any other courses as well, or if you have any other doubts, you can always contact hello@wiselywise.com. So I'm just showing it to you on the screen. To register, you can click on the link, and if you have any doubts, you can contact hello@wiselywise.com. now you can just share your feedback. This is the final one. We have come to the end of the third segment poll as well. So you can now type in 2-3 words about how the entire session was. You can type in something, children. Krish says, I really enjoyed this session. Thank you so much, Krish. Thanks for the feedback. Others as well, you can share your final feedback about the entire session, on how you really enjoyed or how did you like it. You can share it now. Okay, Raunak Jha says, very nice quiz. Thank you so much, Raunak. Thank you, children. So once again, yes, thanks for giving the feedback. Once again, I will show the link. You can show this link to your parents so that they can check out this and register it for you. Please don't forget to show this link and the contact mail ID to your parents so that if you're interested, you can come back and learn from us. Yes. So if you have any doubts, you can post it in the feedback as well. With this, we have come to the end of the session. It was really great having you all, and even I enjoyed the session with all the children here. So thank you so much, children. We'll see in the upcoming sessions. So we'll be having mini quiz session, and we have workshops as well. So don't forget to register for one, so that we can hopefully see you in the coming sessions as well. So in the meantime, stay safe, and thank you so much. Have a great day ahead. See you in the next session. Bye-bye.